My name is Jonathan Hargreaves and I work for TRN Training. In this TRN Taster, I'd like to look at the perimeter of a triangle. The perimeter of a triangle is the total of the length of the three sides. If you do not have the length of one side, you can work it out using the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared. When you have calculated c squared, you will then need to find the square root to find the length of c. Before we look at an example, I'd like to dissect our formula. A square number is a number multiplied by itself. This can also be called a number squared. The symbol for squared is a small 2. So for example, if we were to be asked to square the number 4, we would write 4, a small 2, which would be 4 times 4 equals 16. The square root of a number is a value that when multiplied by itself gives the number. The symbol used is similar to a tick, which can also mean the positive square root. So for example, if we were to be asked what's the square root of 49, it would be 7. 7 sevens equals 49. The square root would be 7. Let's write our example. Let's write our triangle. Side A is 4 centimeters, side B is 3 centimeters. The great unknown will be C. Let's write our formula. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So a is 4 and b is 3. As per our formula, we therefore square these two numbers. 4 times 4 equals 16 and 3 times 3 equals 9. We can then add those two numbers together. 16 plus 9 equals 25. And as per our formula, we now need to find the square root of 25. And that, of course, is 5. 5 fives are 25. Therefore, C is 5 centimeters. The perimeter of this triangle, therefore, is 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and 5 centimeters, which makes a grand total of 12 centimeters. I hope you've enjoyed this TRN Taster, and I look forward to seeing you soon.